Today, we're not making protein bars, but I did see the results and I'm loving it, so wait, it's coming. But as I was saying, today I'm gonna show you how to make 2 easy little breakfast recipes. Let's get started. All right, so let's get started. First things first, you've got to grease the inside of your mug. So take a little spray or a little bit of olive oil spray and just spray it in. We're gonna start with 3 eggs and they're gonna go right into the mug. Be sure, of course, not to get any shell in there because, you know, that would suck. Next up, I am going to add in the dried parsley, black pepper, and salt. That's pretty much all to taste. It's up to you how much you want. Okay, the eggs are broken. We're gonna add in just like a tablespoon of diced red bell pepper and the same amount for the mushrooms. Now this is like a vegetarian version, but you can also go right ahead and add some meat in there if you want. Little tofu, I don't know, whatever you're feeling. All right, that's it. So this is going to go into the microwave for 1 minute. Also, I would advise having a plate underneath your mug just in case it spills over and then you have less cleanup. Always thinking, people. So once the minute is up, take the mug out and break up with your fork any large chunks of egg and then put it back into the microwave for another 60 seconds. But be careful because it will definitely start to overflow. So keep an eye on it. Moving on to recipe number 2. This is a high protein parfait that I am kind of super in love with. So we're gonna start with the base of your parfait, which is a granola. I am using one that I did not make myself, but it is cranberries and granola. So I thought this is a great breakfast thing. We're using 1/3 cup or 40 grams. Okay, let's set this aside for a second. Then we're gonna get into the real parfait-y kind of stuff. The second layer of the parfait is a peanut butter maple layer with some Greek yogurt. That is about 80 grams of Greek yogurt. And you're gonna take your 2 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter. Then I'm also adding in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, the good stuff. Mix the 3 of them together. And of course, you're just gonna mix until everything is fully incorporated. The next layer is another 80 grams of plain Greek yogurt. And then you're going to add in half a teaspoon of cocoa powder and about half a scoop, depending on the whey protein that you use, of either chocolate or vanilla whey protein. Now I'm using vanilla and I have mixed the 2 flavors together just to see what it would taste like. I really like it. But if you want to go chocolate on chocolate, go right ahead and do that as well. Mixy, mixy. Got a beautiful chocolatey mixture right there. It's time to combine. And that is it. I am feeling very hungry because it smells so good in my home right now. 2 great recipes that I absolutely expect you to try out. And when you do, let me know how it goes in the comments below. All right, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.